and I was with the banking and finance industry for almost 2 years. There was unnecessary pressure in my life and I couldn't find a balance between my work and my career. Hello all, my name is Kaustov and I have completed my MBA in marketing in 2022 itself. Suppose that I got placed in a reputed banking firm and I was with the banking and finance industry for almost 2 years. But I gradually realized that I wasn't happy about the work I do. The environment was not that great. There was unnecessary pressure in my life and I couldn't find a balance between my work and my career. And I felt very demotivated. So in that point of time, I felt the need of upskilling my skills so that I can progress in my life. And that's the place where Webskitters Academy came into show. So I was always curious about how digital marketing works and I always wanted a career in digital marketing. But during my time of MBA, I wasn't sure about how to progress or how to become a digital marketing associate. So I decided to go and have a talk with Webskitters Academy. The counselor over there, he guided me out, he showed me the curriculum, told me about the industry, gave me a basic knowledge of how things work. And at that point of time, I got a minimum confidence and I joined the classes. The course fees over here was relatively less than others, so I joined Webskitters Academy. I did a research a lot and found that the Webskitters Academy has a very affordable fees for students like us who want to make a career in the technical field, and also the curriculum facilities. Infrastructure that we study in, it was all equipped with modern techniques. We was guided through the help of very new facilities, like we studied with the help of projectors and smart boards that helped us really understand the concept. Even we worked on technical projects and also in some cases we have worked on live projects that has made us really capable of what we are today. And I'm very impressed with the academic guidance Webskitters Academy has provided me with. So after completing my course with Webskitters Academy, I was very confident and I even cracked the first interview that I had, and now I am joining as a digital marketing executive at a reputed IT firm. So thank you Webskitters for investing in me, investing your time in me and making me feel confident so that I can have my own career in IT as well.